This is a Jouef HO scale model of the Belgian Series 81 steam locomotive. They were former German BR55 steam locomotives in Belgian service. And received really quite bright and attractive liveries. I do like the curtains in the cab area as well. There's some nice features to this model. They've done some Belgian specific fitments like the chimney there and the headlamp and single tail light. The model is built to NEM standards, so you have NEM coupler pockets on the back and you can plug in your own swallowtail fitment if you wish. They've got the European standard hoop in the back there and an empty coupler at the front if you wish to fit one there. It's a digital sound model with a Zimo sound decoder fitted from the factory. 28 functions on it. Got a nice coasting beat as well when you come off the power. Very neat motor mechanism in there. I think it is driving the rear axle. The rest are driven through the rods. The motor is in the firebox area. And then the sound decoder and everything else is in the tender with a very neat 8-pin connector that joins the two. And have a look in here. Firebox glow. So there's plenty of sound effects to go through as well. Turn the sound off, just have a look at the mechanism. Nice and smooth. And there we are.